Hey, what's up? This is Khalid Zliti and welcome to Just After Effects tutorial channel. And today I'm going to show you how to use presets of Trapcode Particular 2025 in After Effects. So let's start. My Patreon, go to on shop. There you can see action essentials, infographics course in Adobe After Effects. And there you must find Red Giant Trapcode C 2025 you can download. And thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you. Create a new composition. And right here, title, animation, enter. So create a new solid. Right here, party, tutor, enter. And there we have Trapcode Particular. Select Trapcode Particular and wait for load. Okay, guys, there you can see designer particular and the system of Trapcode Particular. Just there is the particular is ready. Click on designer. Click here, and there you have another window. Go to presets. Go to presets and go to text 31 items and select one of the presets you need to use for your project. There's a lot of title animations. Select one of them. Select this one. Not bad. So select this one. So let's select this one, and now I need to use this one. Click apply, and now you have this presets in your project After Effects. So how to change the title from Trapcode to the title, your name, your project name. So select the title and click here, write something. I need to write JAE 2025. Just After Effects 2025. Hold Control, scale up the size slowly, and set center. And now, take a look, turn on the 3D switch, right click here, column, turn on the 3D switch, and click on 3D. Turn off the title layer, select Trapcode Particular Solid, and go to Designer. Go to Designer. There you have Properties, System 1. So I need to go to System 1. There is the System 3. Go to Text Layer, click here, and there you can do. There you have a layer of the text and mask. I need to select just After Effects 2025. Click Apply, and let's see the result. Turn on, double click, write 1.5 more, and now you can see JAE 2025. So let's move the title a little bit center of the screen. Turn on title action save area. Set here. Turn off again. And now turn off the layer. Press the space to render. Okay, guys, if you need to change of the particles style, select your particular. There is the system 1, 2, 3. So I need to change the particles of the title. Go to select text layer and go to particle. You can select glow sphere like this. Select glow sphere and go to set the color to gradient. So and now click on gradient presets. There you can see color gradient. Click on presets. Select your favorite brand color. I need to select this one. There you can see. Let's render again and wait for the result. Okay guys, don't forget, if you need to download Trapcode 2025 particular from Shine, you can find the link into description, video description. Go to my Patreon, go to on shop. There you can see Action Essentials, infographics course in Adobe After Effects, and there you must find Red Giant Trapcode C 2025. You can download. And thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.